Hey everyone, Mark here at Seaway Hyundai. Welcome back to our virtual showroom. This is a 2018 Hyundai Elantra with the GL automatic package. I'm going to do a quick walk around the outside. I'll show you some of the interior features after. This way, if you're shopping like I do from your couch, you can see the inside and outside of the vehicle. See that's in nice shape before you decide to call, email, text us, or decide to come down and make a purchase. So again, welcome to the virtual showroom. I'll show you the outside of the car quickly, and then we'll show you the interior features. So as you can see, body's in very nice shape. Got nice alloy wheels, plenty of tread on the tires. We'll keep going around. You got the turn signal indicators on the mirrors, fog lights, big beefy Hyundai grille, hood's all in nice shape. Roof's in nice shape. I'm just going to open the trunk real quick. We'll walk around the back here. I'll remove these mats real quick. I'll show you. 60/40 split folding rear seats. So if you have a little project at home or need a little bit extra space, this Elantra can definitely handle that. We'll leave the mats back there just so they stay nice and clean for the future owner of the vehicle. I'll show you the rear seats. Cloth's in nice shape. Carpets are in nice shape. You've got cup holders in the center that pulls out. You got power rear windows. Jump in the front here. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors. You've got a adjustable driver's seat. You can adjust your interior illumination. You've got lane departure warning, and you can also shut your traction control off. All right. So we'll go ahead, we'll turn this vehicle on. So some of the other features, you got a nice little leather wrapped steering wheel here. You've got all your Bluetooth hands-free calling and volume controls right here. Cruise control right here. You can also toggle through some of the settings and adjust the vehicle to your specifications. If we move over, some of the interior features I love the most. You've got heated seats, both sides, 3-stage. You also got a heated steering wheel. You got your drive modes, Eco and Sport, so you can toggle through that and see which way you prefer to drive the vehicle, a little bit more fuel efficient or a little bit more sporty. You got your auxiliaries and inputs down here. Your temperature controls here. You've got your infotainment center here. So this car has Apple CarPlay, Android Auto capabilities. So the nice thing about that, you plug your phone in, you have real-time navigation. You also have the ability to check traffic reports. It's really handy, and the nice part is you don't have to go to the top line model anymore to get all these features. And the nice part is, you know, a lot of people think we're going to use nav all the time, but really you only use it when you're out of town, you're traveling around the city or where you live, you don't really need it. So it is a nice benefit of both, and then you definitely save some money by not going to the top line model. You got a nice big backup camera, air conditioning, cloth's all in nice shape, dash is in nice shape, no cuts or rips or tears. Excuse me. So anyways, very nice vehicle, only 62,000 kilometers, so a little less than 40,000 kilometers of full factory warranty through Hyundai Auto Canada. Great vehicle. We sell a ton of Elantras, so again, I'd like to thank you today for joining me in the virtual showroom. And as always, you can shop 24/7 at seawayhyundai.com for all your new and pre-owned vehicle needs.